Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Google Authenticator for Kucoin. Open Kucoin and tap Security, then two-factor authentication to begin pairing with Google Authenticator. Scan the QR code or enter the code manually in the app and save the 16-digit backup key somewhere secure. Test the generated code to confirm pairing and record backup codes to avoid getting locked out of your account. Start by opening Google Authenticator and choosing Add Account, then scan the QR code displayed on Kucoin or enter the 16-digit key manually for pairing. After the app shows a 6-digit code, input it back into Kucoin within the 30-second window to complete verification. Wait for confirmation, then perform a quick test like signing in again or initiating a small action to ensure the 2FA is active and working smoothly. Keep your 16-digit backup key safe by recording it offline or saving it in a secure password manager to speed recovery. If you lose your phone, use the backup key to restore Google Authenticator on a new device or follow Kucoin recovery steps with verification documents. Also set up a secondary device or alternate authenticator method to reduce risk, and avoid storing backup keys in plain text on cloud services that are publicly accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.